Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you want to know how to achieve this look and you want to achieve it too, that way you can go to the grocery store and leave everyone with their mouth wide open. Keep on watching. Hello, today we are going to do a different makeup tutorial. It's going to be a Club Kid inspired. I'm going to prime my face first. I'm using the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. It's very important for you to prime your face first before you apply any foundation. I apply it with my hands because I like it better. To cover our eye, we're gonna cover our eyebrows. Goes to look like an egg with no brows, nothing, so we can have a clean base to start the makeup look, because Club Kid looks are very known for not having a brow. For that I use Elmer's washable glue stick, and I just rub it on my eyebrows like this. Make sure you get it in all the hairs. I brush it. I use a spoolie, a brow brush, and then I just brush the hairs upwards. It can take a while, but patience is key. When it dries, you can go over it again with the glue and it stays there after, because then we're gonna go over with foundation and we don't want hairs sticking out. You can blow dry it to speed up the process. When dry, you're gonna go over with some Clown White powder. The one I use is the Ben 9 Super White Professional Powder. And you're gonna go over the brow. You're gonna dust away the excess powder. And then you can go over one more time with the glue powder again. It doesn't have to be perfect because we are going over it with some black shadows, and we're also gonna add some things to our face. We're gonna glue. So for the next step, we're gonna add some foundation. I'm gonna use the Kryolan TV paint stick in color 4W. It doesn't have to be the same color of your skin. If you look a little crazy, that means you're doing a good job. The goal is to look like an alien. I know I've never seen an alien before, but the goal is to imagine how one would look like. Then we're gonna set this. So one of the colors will be more concentrated on the center. We're using the 4W, a little bit of 3W, add 11W. Stick is a really full coverage foundation, so you don't need to add a lot. I know I look crazy, but it's okay. Oh my god, I look like a ghost. I look like I don't have any blood on my face and I'm about to like faint or something. And that's okay. Below there. Now we are going to set the foundation. Okay, so after foundation, we're gonna add some concealer. I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Hot Cream Contour Kit. Also, you can add some on your lids. This is a really great base for the eyeshadows. For the setting powder, I'm using the Ben 9 Luxury Banana Powder. I'm gonna dust all the powder away. Nobody's gonna stare at you like you're gonna look beautiful. Nah, I'm kidding. The next step now is to, oh my god, I look crazy. We're gonna start applying the eyeshadows on the eyes. I use some Marin Green Blend Stick in black, and I'm gonna apply it to the lid. If you look like a raccoon, but don't worry, this is gonna get better. Also add some to the nose. This is gonna be pretty much our contour, so I blend it. After I have blended a little bit more, I'm gonna add some shimmer black eyeshadow, and this one I'm gonna use from the Bloodlust palette, the shade Executioner. Apply it on my lid. The shade Executioner from the Bloodlust palette on the lid. After that, we are gonna blend it very well. The shadow, because the eyes don't look pretty. And now I'm gonna blend it with the same brush. And that's gonna add a little bit more color to the lid. So I'm also gonna apply the same cream black foundation on my lids. I'm gonna smudge it, and also I'm gonna start drawing some lines, adding more dimension and shapes to the face. Do I look pretty yet? I'm gonna set it with black eyeshadow. I'm gonna draw more lines on my face. I know it looks scary, but I drew some lines and some shapes on my face, and I also added white liner and mascara. Oh my god, you look super horrible. And I know it is true, but what we're gonna do now is gonna start complementing the whole look. It is a very dark and black look. Adding more and more, you're gonna be like, oh wow. So just keep on watching. I remember the first time that I went out as a club kid. It was actually an event at school. I was super nervous because, you know, like, a lot of people don't know about this art and what it is about, so it is pretty scary sometimes. You don't know what people are gonna say, but then I realized, like, who cares what they have to say? Like, just do what you love the most, and if people don't like it, then that's on them, but just be happy, do whatever makes you happy, and that's when you start being happier. The club kid makeup look is like, I'm not trying to be more like a girl or look like a man. I'm actually just trying to look like a painting or something like not normal, something unconventional. It pretty much breaks all the rules. You can see just by adding a few, look is starting to look different. So one thing in life is, like, don't overthink stuff, because sometimes, like, you make something look bigger than what it actually is. Adding more shapes, that way we can start, like, really changing the way our face looks. Glue this on with this lash glue. You can also use spear gum, any other type of skin adhesive that is safe to put on your skin. I think I already know where exactly to put each piece. What I just do is I just look myself, and as I go I see where one of them would be needed, and I just put it on there. This is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you didn't, well, I'm sorry for you. Go to the grocery store with this makeup look. It's gonna be iconic. Everyone is gonna be looking at you. You're going to be the center of attention. So if you like attention, this look is perfect for you to go out. And you know what? Not even just to the grocery store. This look can really work for the club, to the movie theater, to work. No, actually not to work. Adios.